Hey guys, it's Chris here.
How's it going, guys? Ray here.
We're X for Dummies, bringing another reaction video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on the lower right hand corner. And when you do, thank you. And if you don't, thanks for watching, guys. Still appreciate you.
Yeah, and keep dropping the comments down below. Really appreciate you guys' feedback. You know, we take the time to look through the comments, see what you guys are talking about, try to take your feedback into account.
Yeah.
Anything that makes the channel better, we're on board. So please drop your comments down below. Other than that, we got Rush. I mean, I know we're fans of Rush.
Yeah,
but,
definitely.
I don't know if I know the song. Do you?
I don't know this song, but
Okay.
we also started streaming as well. So check
Yeah.
out our streams. And we are starting to upload some gaming clips. So definitely check those out as well. But yeah, let's get right into it.
Yeah,
Rush.
yeah.
That bass line.
Yeah, it's so fluid.
I really like his voice in this.
Yeah.
I like this transition here.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
His voice is just so unique,
Yeah, for
so
sure.
distinct.
All right. Yeah.
That was fire. That was so good.
Yeah. So I like that a lot.
Yeah, I did too.
I'm understanding the song as like, obviously like, I would say like that he's leaving kind of in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Obviously, goodbye, my dear. My ship's coming. I can't pretend like that it's not like my ship is about to sail. Like I don't
I'll
know.
see you never.
Yeah, pretty
I'll
much.
see you later.
Like that's
Yeah.
kind of what I'm seeing it as. You guys can let us know, drop in the comments, like what you guys perceive it as, definitely. But I did really like it. And the meaning behind it was kind of cool. Yeah, I would say like an 8.9 for me. I really dig this song. Definitely throw it on the playlist.
Yeah, I mean, I'm with you. 8.8 for me. I would throw it on my playlist. Yeah, kind of shocked that I've never heard the song before,
Yeah,
to be
same.
honest. I mean, I don't know how popular of a song it is. Like, if you were to pull up Spotify or Apple Music, you know, how many streams a song has compared. Who knows? But
Yeah.
I was a big fan of the song. Glad glad we found it. I don't know if our producer picked this or someone
I think
recommended
so.
this. Okay, yeah.
I think he picked it.
Okay.
I don't know if it was from a recommendation, but who knows?
Well, our producer doesn't have the best taste in music, so it's probably someone else who suggested it. But no, it was good though. I was a big fan of it, and I mean, so far every Rush song that we've done,
Oh
I really
yeah,
liked.
yeah,
So,
big fan of Rush.
Yeah.
Didn't really know a lot of Rush. I mean, knew like few songs, like 4 or 5 songs, but
Yeah.
definitely really like them. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on the lower right hand corner. When you do, thank you, and if you don't, thanks for watching, guys. Still appreciate you. We'll catch you in the next video.